So, Beret here, just got him washed. Look at that. Well, even the Kohler Command one? Look at that, my stickers. All the factory stickers are peeling off. This side's fine so far. Y'all, one of the reasons I bought this tractor is because I liked the stickers. I liked the 15.5 horsepower. I liked the Kohler Command sticker. And now they're just all peeling off. And also under the hood's just kind of rusting. See? Y'all don't understand how much this upsets me. Y'all do not understand how much that and that upset me. Especially the rust. That rust really pees me off.